Hello guys, today I'll show you how to set up a Verpex VPS so that you can start your own self-hosting projects. And by the way, Verpex has an open port 25. You can install email server, you can send and receive email messages. So let's start. Go to Verpex, head on to private servers, click VPS hosting, and scroll down. You need to choose and manage Linux VPS. Okay, for now, I always go to a 4 gigabyte if you have a small project, and just click start. And choose your billing term. And for OS, I always prefer Debian 12, and I don't need cPanel because I'm using open source applications. And for server location, so rule of thumb, if your audience are located in the US, you can choose Central or East, whichever is the closest. And if your audiences are located in, for instance, France or Germany, you can choose Europe. So choose whichever is the closest. So just click add to cart. Okay, sorry. Let's say US Central. And register. So just fill up this important fields. Okay, so once you fill up these important fields, just click create account, and you need to place order and pay so that the VPS will be activated. And check your email. They will email you this question. So for number one, if you want to set your host name, so let them know. So for instance, hostname.webshanks.com, and you can just ignore them, the number two, if you don't need their assistance. And if you want to migrate from a VPS, from your old VPS to Verpex, you can let them know, and be sure to verify your email. Okay, let's go to our Verpex VPS dashboard. Okay, so their dashboard is very minimal. So you can see here your service identifier, which is your host name, and your IP. They will put the IP here, so take note of your IP, and of course your root password. So just click this one to reveal. And by the way, they don't have a control panel like Bird Fusion or Source VM, so this is very minimal. So if you're not that techy, Verpex might not be for you. But if you just need the IP and your root password, and just you don't need other stuff, you might try a Verpex. So if you want to connect to your server, I always use Bitwise because it's very interactive and it has a GUI. I will open my Bitwise. So put your host. This is your IPv4. So this is my Verpex IPv4. So visit here. Your username is root, and your port should be port 22. So just click login, accept and save, and your password is located here. So just click this one and it will reveal your password. So just click new terminal console so that you can run your commands, install whatever applications you want to install. This is absolutely for the self-hosting geek like me. So if you want Verpex, their support is really good. They're fast and they are very knowledgeable, and they open port 25. If you want to set up your own email server, you might want to try Verpex. And okay, I will install yet another bench script, and I'll show you later the results. Okay, I have finished installing Yabs. So this is the result. The benchmark test is here. I'll put a link on the description down below. So it's great for a VPS like Verpex. So for single core, so I got 1705. It is higher compared to Onsabo and Rocknerd. So that's it. This is how you will set up VPS on Verpex. They have open port 25, and please don't abuse by sending bulk spammy emails. And I think they're good, and their support is quick. So that's it. If you have any questions, just put them down on the comments section, and I'll try to answer them all. And if this video helped you in any way, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.